Hello folks, today we are doing a building inspection, and what I wanted to share with you is that what we have is we got these leaks happening right here. Okay, that's kind of common. You know, we got them leaking right over here, and you can see it's leaking right on the floor here. And we got a pretty good rain last night, and then you got window wells right there. I don't know if you can see through the window, through the cracked window, and but now you see that. But what I wanted to share with you is an official, I don't know what you call it, leak preventer. Look at that. Somebody has stuck their underwear up in this, right up under here, thinking they're stopping the leaks. You can't make this up, folks, underwear. Anyway, what's so funny about this is that they really thought this was they probably was helping a little bit. But if your underwear comes up missing, no, this is where you start looking. Your wife's done already used them and is stopping the leaks in the basement. That'll teach you. Thanks, folks, for watching our videos. Hit like and subscribe and follow us. We'd love to help support us, and you get the new videos come out twice a week, sometimes 3 times a week. Thanks, folks. Have a great day.